Hello guys, welcome back on DCVI Technology. Today we are back on this our new tutorials on free internet with my MTN. In fact, we are back on this our new tutorial for how to have free 1 GB using my MTN. First of all, you need to go on Play Store or any website that you know and download my MTN app. After downloading my MTN app, you enter. After entering my MTN app, there are so many countries that you can choose, especially Central African country. So since I'm in Cameroon, I will choose Cameroon. For other country it depends, but it increase, but especially for Cameroon is 1 GB. So after entering Cameroon, for some phone they will ask them to insert their number, or whereas for some others they will not ask them to put their numbers. Since for me they have not asked me to put my number, so I will continue. I will create my account. After finishing creating my account, it depends on others. For some others they will send them a message, you will just have to put the message, and after you will get the 1 GB. So it is very easy and practical to use. So if you are new to our channel, remember to like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching.